Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is exponential distribution. In this topic, we are going to study the median of exponential distribution. So let us start with median of exponential distribution. We will see the definition of median of exponential distribution and how it is calculated. If x follow exponential with parameter theta, then the median of exponential distribution, say m, is defined as probability x less than equal to m is 1 upon 2. We know that median is a value which divides the data into two equal parts. Means suppose if our data is arranged on this line in ascending or descending order of magnitude, then this is the point m, median, which divides the data into two equal parts. Means 50% of the data is less than median and 50% of data is greater than median. Hence, the probability of a random variable x less than equal to m is 50%. Means it is 50 divided by 100. And which is nothing but 1 upon 2. We calculate the value of probability x less than equal to m. As it is 1/2, we will get the value of median. The value of this probability is obtained by integration minus infinity to m fx dx, since x is a continuous random variable. As x follows exponential distribution, the lower limit of x is 0. So integration is 0 to m and PDF is theta e raised to minus theta x dx. Since theta is a constant, take it outside the integration. Integration theta into integration 0 to m e raised to minus theta x dx. All these integrations are equal to 1 by 2. Integrate e raised to minus theta x, we get, this is the integration value of integration, e raised to minus theta x divided by derivative of exponent minus theta is equal to 1 upon 2. This theta get cancelled. We will get here the limit of integrations are 0 to m. Put the limit of integrations, we get minus after putting the values of limit minus e raised to minus theta m minus e raised to 0 is equal to 1 by 2. As e raised to 0 is 1, multiply this minus sign inside the bracket. minus e raised to minus theta m is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1, and it is minus 1/2. Therefore e raised to minus theta m is equal to 1 upon 2. Take logarithm on both sides, we get here we are taking log to the base e, natural logarithm. This log and exponential get cancelled, so it is minus theta m is equal to log 1/2. Hence m equal to minus 1 by theta log 1 upon 2. This is the value of median. This minus sign can be absorbed in logarithm, as this is the one form of median of exponential distribution. One can further simplify it as 1 by theta log 1/2 raised to minus 1. So it can be 1 upon theta log 2. This is the value of median for exponential distribution. In this way we have learned how to calculate median in exponential distribution. In the previous lectures we have already learned the different concepts of exponential distribution. If student want to learn all the concepts of exponential distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also given in the description box. Similarly, many more topics are taken on Learn Statistics channel. Student want to learn that topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. If student like this channel, then click on the like button and share with your friend to learn the statistics subject in simple and more easy way. In the next lecture we will meet with the next topic from exponential distribution. Till then we will stop here. Thank you.